Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Excel with Thiru. So I'm Thirumogal. I'm a medical student. I teach class 11, 12 and NEET and guide you throughout your NEET 2021. So do subscribe and share it with your friends and let's go into the video. I think everyone got a 4-day off. I think everyone has finished their pending chapters. From today I'm going to give you week wise plan so you can follow it a week, and the next week I'll upload next week's task and target. So in the Vati I'm doing like this. Start from today, okay, and study. All the very best. Hi friends, I've made a schedule for the next 5 days. Do follow it from the day 1. On day 1, do in biology cell, the unit of life, chemistry amines. I'm going to give you 3 days. The first day of amines is Wednesday, and in physics, moving charges of magnetism. I'm going to give you 2 days. In that first day is this. Thursday, the day 10th, you have to do cell cycle and cell division. You can also combine with cell and cell cycle. You can do it together. I want you to finish it in 2 days. That's it. That's the target. Inni or Thursday kulla you have to finish cell or those 2 chapters. Study it. And then in chemistry you have to do amines. Second day amines is also very important. Adla nariya questions varum. So nalla padichukonga. And then physics is the last day for doing moving charges of magnetism. So you're going to finish it by today, all this, and then do previous year questions of the particular chapters of all of them, and do a mock test from the NTA app, and do previous year question paper like 2017, 18, and the Mari do it. On Friday, biology, do human health and disease. I'm going to give you 2 days. So do human physiology on Friday. Chemistry, the third day for amines. Finish the chapter. Do lots of MCQs in amines. And then start in physics, mechanism and matter. I'm going to give you 2 days is the first day. And then as I told you, do MCQs for the particular chapter and also previous year questions. So in this topic, human health and disease, lots of questions will be asked. What are the types of diseases caused by pathogens, different type of pathogens in it. Make a list and study, and then read about the antibodies in our body, the innate immunity, acquired immunity, cell mediated immunity, humoral immune response, all of them. The active and passive immunity, vaccination, what is vaccination, allergies, IgE, autoimmune diseases, the lymphatic nodes, primary and secondary, read all of them. AIDS is very very important, read it. Study about the cancer, what are the treatments in it, how do you diagnose it, what are the and the drugs is. Make a tableau column and read drugs, okay. Make a list of the drugs and write what does it affect, where it has been obtained. One tableau column, where it's been obtained, how does it affect in our brain, how will you visualize stuff, read that. And yes, this is all about human health and disease. So as I told you, divide it into 2, human health and disease. Do it today at the second half. And then some basic concepts of organic chemistry in chemistry. This is also a very important chapter because you get a lot of nomenclatures practice பண்ணுங்க. அப்புறமா trades நிறைய கேட்பாங்க, which is more acidic. அதை trade பண்ணுங்க. The greater acidic, which is more basic, which is alpha hydrogen எதுக்கு அதிகமா இருக்கு. Lots of trends are there. Go through the chapter. You can like either படிச்சு இப்போ almost like most of the organic முடிச்சதுனால இது ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும், ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாகவும் இருக்கும். If you have finished this till now, கண்டிப்பாக you will be like 15 questions கன்ஃபார்மாக உங்களால் ஸ்கோர் பண்ண முடியும். So you have studied till now organic chemistry. So in this trades நல்லா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. What is the melting point, higher melting point, which has the more boiling points, what is the solubility trend, nariya trend varum. Do it, it'll be easy as you have studied it earlier in my past 11 days 12 days you have been doing this, so it'll be very easy for you. Physics, do magnetism and matter, finish it today. Do lots and lots of MCQs on the chapter. Do the previous year questions of the particular magnetism and matter chapter la enna previous year questions, so solve them. Do it with solution, check பண்ணுங்க. Do in the 3 chapter, do all the previous year questions and solve a lot of MCQs. If you have time, do mock test for today also. And on the last day of this timetable, on Sunday, you have to do the Digestion and absorption, it is one of those important chapters, is also an easy chapter. In the human physiology you won't get question papers, so இது ரொம்ப முக்கியம். You have to study all of them are easy. இதை visualize பண்ணி படிச்சிங்கன்னா it's so easy. And the chemistry, do hydrocarbons today, it'll be very easy as you have seen it earlier in organic chemistry. This will be too easy for you. Finish it by today. And then in physics, do motions in a plane. I'm going to give you 2 days to. Sunday is going to be the first day, Monday is going to be the second day. Motions of plane are lots of like time of flight, the height, the range. 45 degrees la நம்ம தூக்கி போட்டா it will go to the highest level. Distance traveled will be high. Time of ascent, time of all of them are very important. Lots of questions are also asked in it. Solve lots of MCQs. Read the concepts from this chapter. Do previous year questions. And yes, I'm going to upload next 5 days in the next video, so do stay tuned to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, do subscribe it and share it with your friends. It's going to be super useful. And if you have any doubts, you can also DM me on Instagram and also comment me in the comment section. So bye for now. All the very best, future doctors.